Philippines there are many species, kind of spider. So in the Philippines we call this camel because we give the name camel because in his back, so if you, as you can see, looks like a camel. So we name this kind of spider in the Philippines camel. So that's one. So that's the back of that spider. So as you can see, she's have a long legged and so very hard back. Look at his back. So that one, that guy, it's very unique.